Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are unable to link a Disneyland park tickets in the Disneyland mobile app, the issue is often caused by an incorrect tickets ID, a ticket that's already linked to another Disney account, or a temporary app or connection problem. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to successfully link your ticket. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix a ticket that won't link in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for accessing your ticket reservations and park features. So first thing, open the Disneyland app mobile and sign into your Disney account. Try linking the tickets again like inside the app. Open my tickets and passes. From here, tap the plus button or link tickets and passes. Scan the tickets barcode or enter the ticket ID manually and make sure the information exactly matches your ticket. Verify the ticket information, like if linking fails, confirm you are using the correct ticket number, make sure the barcode is fully visible if scanning, and check for typing mistakes when entering the ID manually. Even one incorrect character can prevent the tickets from linking. Okay, troubleshoot common problems, like if the ticket still won't link, check your internet connection. So close and reopen the Disneyland app, update the app to the latest version, and restart your phone and try scanning the barcode instead of entering the number manually or vice versa. So these steps resolve many common linking issues. You can also check whether the ticket is already linked, like if you receive a message indicating the ticket can't be linked, verify you are signed into the correct Disney account, and ask members of your travel party whether the ticket has already been linked to another account. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.